Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into the world of Asana, and I'll be showing you how to use this powerful tool to plan events and conferences seamlessly. First things first, you need to create a new project in Asana. Log into your Asana account, click on the plus button in the top right corner, and select Create Project. This is your first step towards organizing your event. An organized project in Asana gives you a clear overview of what needs to be done and when. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating tasks for your project. Click on Add Task and name your task according to the jobs that need to be done. Split your event planning into small tasks, like book venue, send invitations, and confirm speakers, for example. This helps us break down the overwhelming task of planning an event into manageable chunks. The reason we do this is to ensure that every detail is taken care of. Now we're going to assign these tasks to team members. Next to each task, click on Assignee and select a team member. Each team member knows what they should be working on and when it needs to be completed. Let's pause for a moment to explain why this matters. Assigning tasks helps to distribute the workload evenly among your team, ensuring everything gets done on time and no one is overwhelmed. Next up, let's add due dates to your tasks. Click on the due date option next to each task and select a date. This helps us because it ensures that each task is completed in a timely manner, preventing last-minute rushes. Finally, use Asana's timeline feature to visualize your project timeline. Click on Timeline at the top of your project page and see your tasks laid out in a timeline view. Here's what's happening behind the scenes when you do this. You're creating a visual representation of your project's progress, allowing you to easily track how things are moving along. And that's it. You've just learned how to use Asana to plan events and conferences. Remember, breaking your project into tasks, assigning them to team members, adding due dates, and visualizing your timeline are key to successful event planning with Asana. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you on the next one.